It's no longer necessary to sacrifice styling, acceleration, handling, or your dignity in the name of fuel economy. Over the years, driving a Toyota Prius was a rolling admission that you'd be willing to sacrifice everything on the altar of maximum fuel economy. Power and performance were axed, which makes some sense. Still, no previous Prius could crack even the lowly 10-second barrier to 60 miles per hour. The list of forsaken attributes also included attractive styling, good driver ergonomics, and the barest modicum of handling prowess. The Prius has always been a one-trick pony that lacked actual ponies. That ends now, except for the part where the 2023 Toyota Prius generates stellar fuel economy. In fact, Toyota estimates it's even better at this core mission. How does 57 miles per gallon combined, 57 city/56 highway, grab you? That's for the with front-wheel drive and 17-inch wheels. The Eco model is history. The XLE and Limited front-wheel drive models are good for 52 combined, 52 city/52 highway, on their standard 19-inch rolling stock. The first thing that stands out is how desirable the new Prius looks, words we have never typed before. This came about because Chief Engineer Satoki Oi, newly assigned to the 5th-generation Prius program, pursued a love-at-first-sight approach. He allowed the designers the freedom to do what they want, in stark contrast to what he termed the relentless pursuit of aerodynamic efficiency that produced the prior weird mobiles. This led to a 2023 Prius that is longer, 1.1 inches, lower, 1.6 inches, and wider, 0.9 inch. But its stance is even more dramatic than those numbers suggest. New 17 and 19-inch wheels are shod with 2-inch taller tires, and those wheel assemblies are shoved nearer the corners thanks to a track width that's broader by a whopping 2.3 inches up front and 2 inches out back. Meanwhile, the wheelbase is a full 2 inches longer. Beyond that, the apex of the peak roofline has been pulled back so the hood flows gracefully into the windshield and roof. This styling decision was made despite a worsened drag coefficient of 0.27, versus last year's 0.24. But the effect is softened because drag is the product of CD and frontal area, and the latter has shrunk owing to the car's substantially lower height. Cargo space is down a bit, though, with the LA offering 24 cubic feet, and the XLE and Limited good for 20 cubic feet. Rearward visibility takes a small hit too, owing to the loss of the hatch's vertical glass panel. Acceleration leaves the old car far behind. Invisible changes under the skin are arguably more transformative. The internal combustion engine is now a 2.0-liter inline-4 that generates 150 horsepower instead of a 1.8-liter unit good for just 96 ponies. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.